Federal High Court in Ekiti, Ekiti State, has granted a lawyer and human rights activist, Farotimi, a 50 million naira bail. The court's decision was disclosed by the presidential candidate of the African Action Congress in the 2023 election, Omoyele Sowore, via his ex-handle on Monday. The first hurdle was crossed. Farotimi was granted bail of 50 million naira, shorty in the like sum with someone with landed property. The case was adjourned to January 29, 2025. The tweet read, "The court ruled that the shorty must possess a landed property and adjourned the matter to January 29, 2025 for further proceedings." NaijaNews recently reported Farotimi's arrest, detainment and trial. Farotimi was taken to court by Chief Ape Babalola, a senior advocate of Nigeria, after being arrested by operatives of the Ekiti State Police Command. Babalola, 95 years old, accused Farotimi of defaming him in a book titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. The arrest sparked outrage across the country, prompting civil society organizations and the Nigerian Bar Association to call for the activist's release. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.